Welcome to the channel. Are you having trouble with Roblox videos not playing? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today we'll walk you through some effective solutions to fix this issue. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential, as slow or unstable Wi-Fi can prevent videos from loading. Next, make sure your Roblox app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store and check for any updates that need to be installed. If you're still experiencing problems, try clearing the cache and data of the Roblox app. Simply go to Settings on your Android device, tap on Apps, select the Roblox app, and clear the cache and data. Another quick solution is to restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve many issues. You should also check the video format. Make sure that the format is supported by your device, as incompatible formats may lead to playback issues on the Roblox app. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider reinstalling Roblox. Uninstall the app and then download it again from the store. Give these tips a try, and you'll be back to enjoying your favorite Roblox videos in no time.